Need to fix the InstallUtil.lib Library DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer, and I'll walk you through the professional restoration of this core file. As we look at the manual steps for InstallUtil.lib library, there is also a diagnostic resource for reviewing your overall system health. This is the InstallUtil.lib library, the installer utility library for the .NET framework. It provides the unmanaged hooks for installing and uninstalling managed localized Windows services. It facilitates the localized execution of the InstallUtil.exe command line utility. With the explanation out of the way, let's refresh the affected files. Since InstallUtil.lib Library DLL belongs to the Windows system core, manual replacement is not recommended. Instead, run sfc/scan now from an elevated command prompt to scan for corruption and restore your system's protected components. Should the file remain missing after a reinstall, we need to ensure that the operating system is forced to re-index its shared library paths. A full system restart clears the temporary memory cache and allows Windows to attempt a fresh initialization of all required libraries, including InstallUtil.lib library. Before you reboot, make sure to bookmark this video or click the like button so you can easily find your way back to the next step once your PC is back up and running. Restarting doesn't always catch everything. If you're still having trouble, let's try this next step together. And if you need to pause the video, I'm not going anywhere. Rebooting didn't reconnect the runtime links, so let's go into the control panel and refresh the library files. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. Before concluding, I want to address a critical security consideration for maintaining your system's integrity. From a cybersecurity perspective, I must warn you never to download files like InstallUtil.lib Library DLL from unofficial repositories, as these are often bundled with malware that can compromise your system's data integrity. To support your system's overall health without the complexity of manual directory management, a maintenance utility is a solid option. If library alerts are present, the system resource below offers informational guidance on managing InstallUtil.lib library dependencies. If this engineering-focused approach to fixing InstallUtil.lib library was helpful, please like the video and subscribe to stay updated on Windows security protocols.